So, how should you use the model? Well, I can think of many examples, but let's have 3 examples how you can use the model. And the obvious one is, of course, if you're a new buyer or you want to be a buyer and don't know where to get started, get a good overview what kind of knowledge you need to collect and where to start, which of course is the generic procurement knowledge. A second example is if you are a procurement manager and want to have an introduction plan for your employees, you can structure the introduction plan to assuring that they connect to all these areas. And you can transfer it into a development plan for a new employee, and making sure that you have a good understanding, making sure that the buyer that you recruit have a good understanding of all the knowledge area needed to be able to perform in the organization. And connected to introduction recruitment, as a third example, if you recruit a buyer, maybe you right now consider trying to find a buyer that are skilled in the generic procurement area. But maybe this model can help you think differently. Why not recruit someone that's really strong in the product area, knowing the supply market? A sales guy, a technician, I don't know. And use Learn How to Source and the generic and the training we got to provide them with the generic knowledge. So there are different ways to consider using this model and consider how to, in the third case, where do you find your future employees as a procurement manager. So I hope you enjoyed the model. Now we continue with next part of the this introduction course, which is how you can collect knowledge with the help of Learn How to Source.